Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan me generals. How are you all doing today? I hope you're feeling good. I hope you're looking good and feeling airy because we got some quick messages for you today and we are looking into your crush. So some quick messages from your crush. What does your crush want you to know right now? Let's get into it.
Guarantee. T-Sippers, guarantee. T-Sippers, guarantee. Welcome, welcome, welcome to T-Sippers, yeah.
So, we are looking into your crush, okay, and what they want to tell you right now, okay? So, if you do have a cup of tea or some juice to keep you hydrated as we gather these quick messages, great, okay? So, we have pile 1, pile 2, pile 3, okay? Let's have a look and see what messages are here for the collective. Okay, so choose your pile as we get into these quick reads. Okay, pile 1, pile 2, and pile 3. Okay, right, so we are going to start with pile 1. Let's have a look at pile 1. Okay, we have here, I see you looking at me, and I know you're enticed by the depth of my voice resonating with every word I speak to you. This person, for some of you, they could be stocky, okay? We have here, I see you looking at me, and I know you appreciate my hands, my strong hands, yet gentle, capable of both protection and tenderness. Ooh la la. We have here strong arms that make you feel safe and cherished. Ooh wee. They could have short hair. Okay. We have expressive eyebrows that convey a range of emotions. Okay. They could be older than you. Gentle touch that conveys both strength and tenderness. So there's a strong energy of like being strong. Okay, they could have a birthmark. Okay, or they may have discussed this, or they may have shared a birthmark, or someone that they know, or family member. It could be like an inherited birthmark. We have here, they could have blonde hair. There's a lot of these messages. I see you looking at me. I know you find that touch of stubble on my face or well groomed beard quite alluring. Ooh la la. Now, even if this hasn't happened, it could be, again, perhaps they're like trying to work out if or daydream, how you may be thinking about them, you know. Ooh la la. We have here braces. So someone could have braces. This could be you, it could be this crush. I see you. Again, there's a lot of this energy. I see you looking at me, and I know you're drawn to my strong, broad shoulders that give you a sense of protection. So some broad shoulders. Ooh la la. We have here a casual yet stylish sense of fashion that is uniquely his own. Okay, I'm gonna pull out a Jamaican proverb and see what wants to come out for the collective who chose pile 1 on these quick messages on what your crush wants you to know right now. Let's have a look. Ooh, quite a few popped out, but we'll pick one. We have the cow no know the use I'm tail until it is cut off. So the cow does not know the use of its tail until it's cut off. And we have here, don't take things for granted. Appreciate what you have. Okay, and I feel like this is not, this is a message from this crush or this person who's really appreciating you, okay? Really appreciating you. Okay, so we are going to end this message with a tarot message, and we're going to have a look into the DM and the DF deck to see what else wants to come through for the collective on these quick messages, kind of like a mini pick a card. Okay, so for the collective who chose pile 1, okay, quick messages from your ex. Rewind. We do like to do those rewind moments here. Okay, quick messages from your crush. What do they want you to know right now? What do they want you to know right now, your crush? Oh, okay. We have. So the message here from your crush is that they want to come forward. They want to offer. Okay. They want to start something. They want to take you out. They want to take you out on a date. They want to see how you feel about this as well. Okay. And I feel like if they haven't stepped up to take the courage, it could be something that they're thinking about doing right now. Ooh wee. Okay. So quick message from this deck. Let's have a look and see for the collective who chose pile 1 what they want you to know right now. Your happiness is my top priority and I want to see you thrive. So I feel like whether you're with them or you're not, they just want to see you thrive. They want to see you doing well. Okay? They want to see you doing well. I hope you can see all these messages here, but they want to see you doing well. Okay? What else do they want you to know? We have here athletic build, so they could have an athletic build. Okay, again, there's a lot of messages about strong hands, strong build, broad shoulders. We have I find solace in your arms, they feel like home. So I feel like this person could just enjoys conversating with you, and it feels like really secure and safe around you. I imagine a future with you and it fills me with hope and excitement. Oh, these quick messages. So we're going to leave the quick messages here for pile 1. Okay, leave this as the lasting message that will resonate with the collective. So for the collective who chose pile 1, I hope the messages are resonating. And you know what we like to do around here? Take the messages that resonate and leave the rest. But please like and subscribe to Wagwan Tarot and Tea, and do have a look on pile 2 and pile 3 if you feel cool to do so. All right, Wagwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan me generals. So we are looking at pile 2, quick messages from your crush, what they want you to know right now. Okay, so let's have a look at pile 2. So please, if you haven't already, like and subscribe to Wagwan Tarot and Tea. Okay, let's have a look at your quick messages. We have they could have locks. Okay, or so it's also known as dreadlocks in the black community. It's known as locks. Okay, so they could have locks, or they could wear their hair in that kind of style for some of you, or they could be into like really natural, maybe looking after their hair in its natural state. Okay, I'm getting also the message of not using chemicals and things like that. And this again for some of you. Okay, we have a playful demeanor that brings joy to those around him. Okay, I'm also getting the message there could be someone who wears a man bun. Okay. Oh, all right. So we have here pale skin. So for some of you, this person could have pale skin or like a paler complexion. Right. So we have a voice that resonates with authenticity and depth. Oh la la. We have eyes that light up with curiosity and enthusiasm. We have the message short. So this person could be shorter than you. They could be perhaps just be maybe like an average, shorter than the average. Okay, we have, or they could have short hair, so it could be something significance in that message there. We have a voice that is deep and soothing, like a calming melody. Ooh la la. Right, so let's pull out the Jamaican proverb. Let's see what message wants to come through for the collective who chose pile 2. Okay, so on these quick messages from your crush, okay, what your crush wants to let you know, or what they want you to know right now. What does your crush want you to know right now? Okay, we're gonna pick one. Okay, we have be ready with your hat, but slow with your money. So be ready with your hat, but slow with your money. Okay, be ready with your hat, but slow with your money. And this is the energy of like watch your money transactions, don't be scammed. But it's also like doing your using your due diligence. So I feel like this person is trying to give you this clue that they're trying to wait and suss things out to see if you feel the same way. So I feel like there could be relying heavily at this time on the intuitive energy to kind of suss or work out if you are interested in them. Okay, and I feel like this could be the message that they're trying to give right now, is that they may be just taking that time to just try and work out, you know, if the water, if in the water, if like do is it a mutual feeling? This is what I'm getting. Is it a mutual feeling? Okay, so we're gonna have a look at, the tarot. Let's see what message wants to come through from the tarot. Let's have a look. So for the collective you chose pile 2, what message does your crush want you to know right now? What do they want you to know right now? Okay, part of these quick messages. What do they want you to know right now? Ooh. Let's have a look and see what's popping out as well. Look at this. So we have the Page of Pentacles. Okay, that's like the energy of wanting to start something, wanting to learn. Okay, so this person could be younger than you. Okay, or they could have a younger energy or spirit. I feel like of with the Three of Cups here, I feel like it's also this energy of they would like to kind of, I'm getting the message, paint the town red with you, like to go out. But I feel like that's something that they can't really celebrate as yet, because it's still in this energy of caution, taking caution, because it's kind of like, well, I don't know if we're going to call you Jane, if Jane feels that way for me. I'm not sure, but I'm hoping, I'm wishing on a star that that day will come where we can both come together. Even I'm getting the message, even like one day be together, and that we can be like the star. And I'm getting watching the moonlight, watching the stars. Okay, in our birthday suits. Ooh wee. Okay, and we're gonna have a look. Okay, just to end the read, to see what messages want to come through from your crush. Okay, what do they want you to know right now? Oh, we have one here ready. Your smile. Your smile and laughter is like music to me. I love looking at your smile and seeing your smile. Okay, so this person enjoys looking at you, seeing your smile. We have, I do wonder. Look, and this is the energy that we had earlier with the Jamaican proverb. This energy of caution, okay? Trying to work out, trying to take some due diligence to see, okay? I've just heard like a phone popping off as well, like it's trying to give us the message that, you know, this is how this person is feeling right now, okay? We have here, I long to explore every corner of your mind and heart. I long to explore every corner of your mind and heart. And I feel like that is here, especially with the energy of the Page of Pentacles, that apprentice energy, wanting to take, you know, I feel like they want to take that time, and at the minute I'm kind of getting the energy, even just trying to get the words out, is just like I feel like this energy of excitement, but it's almost like they have to contain that excitement with the Three of Cups in reverse because they haven't got it yet. Okay, and I feel like it's almost like an energy of not not feeding too much if it's not 100% sure if it is mutual. Okay, let's see what else they want you to know. Okay, for the collective who chose pile 2, let's have a look. We have they could be tall, they could be athletic build. Now this is also the message that came through in pile 1. Okay, what else do they want you to know? What else do they... Ooh, look at this. They could have light colored eyes. Okay, cooking. They could be like a foodie, really into food, trying new food, trying new things, going out. This could be something that they want to share with you. Okay, and I feel like that could be also like a way of trying to break the ice, go on a date, or even try, maybe it could be, I'm getting like a food market. We have here, I can't help but feel a deep connection when you are in my presence. I can't help. And I feel like that's the energy of the star as well. There's some kind of like connection there, and it probably you just you both feel that way, but you can't like put your finger on it. Okay, we have confident stride, and perhaps a confident stride will really help to kind of, are you feeling me? Yeah, are you feeling me? Okay, we have a car enthusiast, we have an avid traveler. So these could be things that they enjoy doing. Okay, and maybe there has been some discussions, but we're just going to see if anything else wants to come out before we close the read. Last shuffle. Okay, thank you. We have, you make even the most ordinary and mundane moments feel amazing. So we're going to end the read here for the collective who chose pile 2 on these quick messages from your crush. So take the messages that resonate, collective. I saw it go around here. This simply means this is how it goes around here. Okay, and if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Okay, and I'll see you on the next one. Wagwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan my generals. So we are on pile 3 and we are looking into the question. Okay, quick messages from your crush. What do they want you to know right now? What do they want you to know? Okay, what they want to let you know right now. Okay, so let's have a look at pile 3. Let's see Wagwan. Okay. So we have here a smile that reaches his eyes, showing true happiness. We have eyes that crinkle at the corners when he laughs, okay? We have, look at this. I see you. I see you looking at me, and I know you're enchanted by my warm and genuine smile that lights up my face when I see you. Ooh la la. We have, look at this. I see you. I see, like, I feel like this person's really trying to communicate and tell you, you know what? I know when you're watching me. I know it. I feel like it's also, there's a strong energy of an intuitive sense here. This person is like, it could be even at times where you try and avoid looking. It's like, oh no, don't want to make it too obvious. And this person, they can sense that energy. They can sense it. Okay, but I see you looking at me, and I know you are captivated by the way my well-defined jawline adds a touch of rugged charm. Ooh wee. Okay. Hair that frames his face like a work of art. So for some of you, this person could have a really attractive face. Even the way their hair sits on their face, I feel like it's like, I feel like it's very attractive. Okay. This person could have ombre hair. For some of you, they could have ombre hair. Maybe that could also be a message for you to help to signify this person. Okay. And it could be a reference to you. This message has been coming through in all of the reads. Like, this person could be tall, okay? Or the way they move. I'm getting the energy, the way they move, the way they groove. There could be a confidence there that makes them appear very tall. in stature, okay? We have here that seems to carry the essence of nature. Now, in pile two, I believe, yes, I believe it was pile two, there was a mention about locks, maybe wearing their hair in a natural state or not using like harsh chemicals or things like this. So I feel like for some of you, this person could be very into like using products that are good for the environment. They could be maybe a vegan or something like that. They could, I feel like, or just has like a good awareness on the environment and wants to kind of live around that kind of. I hope that's making sense. Or to, yeah, I hope that's making sense. All right. So here that seems to carry the essence of nature. Then we have grey eyes. So they could have grey eyes, or their eyes could appear grey against the light. So again, against the light, or it could be like a light eyes, light colored eyes. Okay. Now I believe light colored eyes did come up for pile two as well. All right, so let's have a look at the Jamaican proverbs, okay? And see what proverb wants to come through for the collective who chose pile three. Quick messages from your crush. What do they want you to know right now? What do they want you to know right now? What do they want you to know right now? Ooh, there's been quite a few it's popping up, but we're gonna pick one. We're gonna pick this one. So we have Puss and dog no have the same luck. Puss and dog no have the same luck. And this is the energy that you are both different. Okay, you are both different. Okay, so it's the energy of like competition, lack of fairness, okay, all that kind of thing. But I feel like there could be this energy, perhaps it's the energy that you're both competing for one another in a different shape, in a different way. Perhaps this person could be, maybe they might be, I feel like they could have an inkling, they know, because we couldn't see, that they sense that you are attracted to them. And I feel like almost like there could be a competition in the way how who's gonna try and give it away the most, who's trying to hold it back the most. This is what I'm getting more than anything, is almost like it's become I feel like the message that I'm getting, it kind of it's kind of like excites, gives them an exciting moment during the day, because it's like those awkward moments, but those awkward moments are also what creates excitement and also feelings, okay? But I'm also kind of getting sexual feelings as well, or attractiveness going on. Ooh la la, okay? So we're going to have a look at the tarot and see what message wants to come through from the tarot. So for the collective who chose pile three, okay, regarding this crush, what do they want you to know right now? Can we have a message from the tarot, please? What do they want you to know right now? Ooh, okay, we have, look. So yes, this is the energy of the Two of Pentacles. It's this kind of, if we look at what's going on, that's the water, it's like rocky waters, and that represents the emotions, the feelings, okay? And I feel like this could be someone from work, this could be someone in a study environment, okay? Academic environment. This crush could be even like a neighbor, or it could be someone that you see in like the gym or some kind of facility where you both are seeing one another. But I feel like I feel like it creates this kind of, maybe you might pass by and say hi, yeah, and then afterwards when you both go on your own, like separate ways, let's say, or you've passed one another, it then dawns on you like, is he feeling me? And I feel like they might be saying, is she feeling me? Like, nah. And then I feel like it's those energies of like resurfacing, and it's this loop of Perhaps, perhaps if there is conversation, it's still very limited, but I feel like it's a very intuitive energy going on that you both sense it, but no one's really saying much. But I feel like that's what's creating more of the attractiveness because it's like intuitively you're communicating with one another through your energy and through those thoughts and through those feelings because there's a lot of energy here about I see you, I see you, I see you. So I feel like it's like they're trying to tell you, I know, I know, I know. Okay. Ooh la la. So we're gonna have a look now into this deck and see what messages want to come through for the collective. Okay, they've got some messages from the divine masculine. Okay, things they may want to say to you, some more like characteristics, hobbies and interests. So let's have a look and see what do they want to let you know. Let's have a look and see what do they want you for the collective who chose pile 3. Ooh, wee. Okay, so so we have light color dyes. Now I feel like this has come through in all of the reads. So go through pile 1, pile 2, pile 3, and gather all of these intuitive, juicy gems. Okay, what else do they want you to know? We have this has popped up in the reads as well. I find solace in your arms. They feel like home. Perhaps it could even be like a like a a friendly hug. Okay, but they feel that energy. We have this has come through in all of the reads. Athletic build. Okay, perhaps it could be someone from the gym. It could be someone who takes time to look after themselves. They value that. Okay, and it could be something that you find very attractive about them as well. Okay, because it's coming through. So they could have straight hair. So let's see what else they want you to know. Any more messages? Ooh la la, we have your energy alone brings me a sense of calm and comfort. We have full lips, piercing gaze. We have I feel a spark every time we touch. It is hard to ignore. What else do they want you to know before we come to a close? Oh, we have, look at this. I'm afraid to admit how deeply I've fallen for you. Now remember we said, look at these rocky waters. You see the, I'm afraid to admit, but their energy is giving it off. And I feel like they're trying to come to a decision to make a choice. What do I do? Do I come forward or do I stay back and maybe do some due diligence to check and see if it is mutual. Okay, so we're going to end it here. But for the collective who chose pile 3 on these quick messages, I hope the messages are resonating. And you know what we like to do around here? Just take the messages that resonate and leave the rest. I saw it go. Just simply means this is how it goes around here. But if you haven't, please like and subscribe to Wagwan Tarot and Tea. Okay, and I'll see you on the next one. Wagwan.